Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to another video. This is a video for ₹1 banknotes that I picked up just recently. I picked up a pack of 21 of them. Some of them are in sequence, a serial number sequence, but they were fairly cheap. In the fact that I think they cost me no more than about 6 or 7 quid. So I've got a few banknotes that if people are interested, I can do swaps for and things like that. This is a ₹1 note from 1981. I'm showing two here, so you can see the two sides of the note. This side here has the ₹1 in Hindi, has the serial number, the value there. Then you have the Ashoka lions here in a cartouche. You then have the figure 1, and I presume that's the thing for rupee. You have the serial number down the bottom here. On the reverse of it, you have a cartouche with a ₹1 in. You have some Hindi type text. You have the ₹1 over here, and then you have an oil rig, and this oil rig is the Sagar Samat, which is an offshore rig. Now if I just take this note for 1 second, it has the Ashoka lions in this this cartouche. That's about all I can say about these. The colour is a off pinky purple type colour. I'm not sure whether these notes are still around and still in working, whether ₹1 notes are still around, because ₹1 is quite a small denomination, and whether it's been replaced. I've seen ₹1 and ₹2 coins, so why they have these paper type notes I'm not too sure. Anyway, that ends this very quick overview of these banknotes. If you enjoyed this particular video, please give me a thumbs up, and also if you've not subscribed yet, could you please think about subscribing. Thank you very much for coming along anyway. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have an enjoyable one and you find the coins that you're looking for. If you are buying coins or notes or whatever wherever you're buying them from, then I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. And finally, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far in the distant future, remember I have 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. And until we meet up again, from me, bye bye for now. Ta-da!